Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use our Flake Off remover. So when you purchase this, you should get a card with your order that's going to walk you step by step of how to use the product. But I will just go ahead and show you real quick how I use it. I like to use the nail file and the cuticle pusher. These are really helpful when removing the polish. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the gray side of your nail file and you're going to buff the shine off of the polish. So this polish has been on for about a week and you can see that it still looks really good. There's no chipping or anything. But I'm just ready for a fun change. So I'm going to remove it. And you're just going to lightly take the shine off. Alright, now the shine is removed, and if I wanted a matte look, I could just do this and then leave it for longer if I don't like the shiny look. But what I'm going to do to take it off is I'm going to apply a thick layer of our Flake Off onto the nail. And let it do its magic. Alright, now I'm just going to let that sit for a few minutes and I'll come back and show you the other steps. So I've waited about 5 minutes and I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to lift and bubble up. So I'm going to take my cuticle pusher, and I usually start with the flat end. And then later, to get the corners, sometimes I'll go in with the pointier end. But you're just going to gently push and scrape the polish off. Make sure you don't push too hard because you don't want to damage the nail. It is nice to have some type of mat underneath you to collect all the little pieces. I love this GelMoment silicone mat. It's really handy. Alright, so that got the majority of it off, and I'll just go back and add a little bit more Flake Off to it, and that should take care of those little pieces. And And I'm just gonna go do this side and do that, and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alrighty, here we are, it's all removed. And it turns out that off camera it's a lot easier. So I didn't have to apply a second layer of Flake Off, I just used the pointy side of my cuticle pusher to get in the corners to get the rest of it off. And then I just lightly buffed the rest of the pieces, and it all came off really easily and really nicely. You can tell there's no scratching or damage to my nails. And that's one thing I love about this product. There you go. There's how to remove GelMoment with our Flake Off.